Hello. Question 34. Switch HW closed at time t equal to 0 second. The current ILT increases to 63.2% of its final value at t equal to 2 seconds. Find the value of resistance R in the given circuit and final value of the current. Solution. We convert current source into voltage source. So 5 volt DC supply in series with 1 ohm connected to resistance R with inductor L 4 Henry in series. We redraw the circuit. When switch HW closed at time t equal to 0 second, time constant T equal to L upon total resistance 1 plus R ohm is equal to 4 upon 1 plus R. And current ILT equal to IS multiply by under the bracket 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon time constant t. This is equal to 0.632 IS equal to IS 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon t. After solving this equation, t equal to time constant t. We put the value of t equal to 2 in the time constant. So after solving this equation, R equal to 1 ohm and steady state current equal to 2.5 ampere. Okay, thank you.